I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make your own manifestation journal from scratch. So in my previous videos, I have talked about practicing scripting manifestation, and I know a lot of you want to get started with your manifestation journey and are curious to know how you can make your own manifestation journal. So I thought, why not I make my brand new manifestation journal with you guys so that you get the motivation and you get the idea how you can get started with your own manifestation journal as soon as possible. But just a disclaimer here, this is just my way that I have discovered and figured out for myself, but there are no such rules when it comes to manifesting your dreams. It is a free flowing process and it can vary from person to person, and I'm here to give you just the structure and the motivation to get started with your manifestation journal. And before that, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Esha, and in this channel you will find lots of contents on planning, journaling, productivity and a lot more. So if these topics interest you, then please make sure to be a part of my community, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. And with all that being said, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is very obvious. You have to find a dedicated journal for your manifestation. Don't just go for any random journal or any random diary and write down your manifestation there. You have to take your dreams and your manifestation very seriously if you want the universe to take you seriously. So your manifestations are important and it need to be recorded in a secured place. So go for a brand new journal. Also, a new journal means a new fresh start which is full of opportunities and positive energies, which is free from your past entries. Your manifestation journal should be something that will make you feel good and it will instantly brighten up your mood as soon as you hold it in your hand. So I have chosen this gorgeous journal and I can relate to this journal. It's from the brand Factor Notes. It's a dotted grid notebook with 100 GSM paper quality. The reason why I chose this journal is because of the cover picture. It says, "She is magic." And we have this girl with her eyes closed and I felt connected to her. All these stars and galaxy themes scattered all over her hair has a magical touch to it, and it defines serenity, calmness and a ray of hope. So as soon as I saw this journal, I knew it that this is it. This is my manifestation journal. This is where all my dreams will come true. So similarly, you can choose your kind of a journal that you can relate to. So find a journal for yourself with which you can have an emotional connection, something that will define you, something that will make you believe in it. So this is my manifestation journal. In case if you want the exact same journal, I will provide the link in the description box below. So now that I have my manifestation journal with me, let me start setting it up and you can draw some inspiration from this video. So starting with the first page, I want it to be something that will define my manifestation journal. I want to claim everything that I will write in my journal. So I am going to start with an affirmation that will always motivate me whenever I will open the first page, and it will build positivity and that trust with the universe that all my dreams are going to come true. Whatever I'm going to write in my journal, it is going to come true. I want to build that trust, and so I need a good affirmation to start with. written, the universe has big plans for me and it's time to claim it. I trust the universe. So whenever I'm going to open this first page, I will read this and this will give me motivation, this will give a positive energy and trust that whatever I'm going to write in this journal, it's going to come true. The universe is going to guide me and I will attract whatever I'm manifesting in this journal. So I'm starting the first page with all the positive energy I have. Now moving on to the second page. In the second page, I am going to draw a character sketch for myself. So let me talk about what is character sketch. So it is simply describing yourself, describing about your character, about your behavior and your personal choices. So you are the main character of your life, and just like a movie, you are playing the role of a hero or a heroine in your own life, and that role should be extremely important for you to know. So let me share with you how I am going to set up this character sketch for myself. So this page is the second most important page of your manifestation journal. It defines who you are. It defines your identity. All your manifestation are going to be directly proportional to your character sketch. So there's a quote that I recently read: when you know your worth, no one in this world can make you feel worthless. That's the power of your identity. That's the power of your character sketch. You don't have to seek validation from others if you know who you are. So if you are considering making this page in your manifestation journal or in any of your journal, then make sure that you take out some time, stay honest with yourself and you be your own self while you are writing it down. So done with setting up the first two pages of my manifestation journal, and before continuing with the manifestation journal, let me just answer a few questions that you have sent me about manifestation. I just want to clear some of your doubts in this video. So the first question is, do I need to write in my manifestation journal daily? My answer is no. You don't have to write every single day and you don't have to take stress while you are manifesting. You must feel inspired while you are manifesting and not take it as a task to complete every single day. So don't get rigid, be flexible. Write down your manifestation whenever you feel like. Always remember that the universe cannot read your words. It reads your vibrations, it reads your feelings, your emotions. So when you are manifesting, you have to be in that zone. You have to feel amazing while you manifest. So I don't think it's possible to manifest every single day with the same feeling. So for me personally, I feel that you can manifest whenever you feel like. If you want, you can read your manifestation daily, but while you're writing, you have to be in that zone, in that vibration. The next question is, can I manifest more than one dream in my manifestation journal? So to be honest, I don't have a perfect answer to this, but whatever I feel, I will share it with you. So suppose if you want to have a dream job and also you want a dream home and a dream car, then you can see that these are all interdependent on each other. If you have a job, you will be paid well, and if you are paid well, then only you can afford a home and a car. So I feel that these are all interdependent, and while you are manifesting, manifest about the immediate dream that you want to fulfill, on which you are working on which you believe at this point. So that is what I feel. And the last question is, I have bought a new manifestation journal. Now what to write in it? So to know how you can write in your manifestation journal, let's dive into the next clip. The first thing that I really love doing is to feel grateful before manifesting my dreams, because it reminds me of all the beautiful things that I already have in my life, and I must give importance to them equally. I love to follow a particular method for my gratitude section, which I have named 9 Method of Gratefulness. By this I mean I will jot down 9 things to be grateful for in my life, from where the first 3 things will be something from my past that has already happened and I should always cherish them. The next 3 things will be taken from my present life that I am currently living, and the last 3 things should be from my future that I want to manifest, but I will write it in present tense as if it has already occurred. I really found this method useful, and that's why I am sharing it with you guys. But there is no such rules to follow. You can write it just the way you like. The main focus is to start your manifestation with gratitude in your heart. The next little thing that I do is to release all my worries and tensions from my head and clear my mind before I write down my manifestations. It's kind of a brain dump space where you can write down all the random thoughts that you are currently going through. This will help you to focus on your manifestation completely without allowing any other thoughts to hinder your process. So sit back, take a deep breath and jot down whatever is bothering you currently, whatever you want not to think about. This is your space to let go of all the worries and rejuvenate your mind. Finally comes your manifestation. Start writing it down with all your heart. I have already discussed the structure in my previous video. You can refer that videos. Few things that I would suggest about when you are manifesting are: always be positive while you manifest. Write in present tense as if your dreams have already come true. Do not think about anything negative, anything opposite to what you want in your life. Always think about what you want. Try not to share your manifestation with anyone. It's your energy, your vibrations that you are sending to the universe. Also, don't be obsessed with whatever you write. Write it down with all your positive energy, but don't get stuck to it and think about it whole day. Your work is to move forward, work hard, and trust the universe. Don't overthink how it will happen, when it will happen. Just believe in your action plan, believe in yourself and the magic of the universe. Always remember, just writing it down on your manifestation journal alone won't do the miracle. Your dream life is not going to come to your doorstep. Instead, the universe will send you powerful signals and opportunities. So don't ignore them. You have to grab it and take the necessary actions. So this is how you can get started with your own manifestation journal. There are a lot of different ways to manifest, and one of them is scripting manifestation. And I have talked about it in details in these 2 videos of mine. So definitely refer those videos for more clarity. And if you want me to talk about the other manifestation techniques, then leave a lovely comment in the comment section below, and also share with me your feedback about today's video. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and anyone who wants to get started with the manifestation journey. And in case if you are new to my channel and you like my contents, then make sure to be a part of my community, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. You can check it out, follow me there. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a new video next Monday. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.